Hey, what's up, everybody? It's been a while. Let's get started. Um, I'm gonna discuss some of the trades that you guys took today. Let's see. Okay, so my man over here has opened the position on VIAC on April 1st. Well, that ends April 1st. Uh, okay, so let's take a look at the 30th. This is the 30th. We see. Ooh, I don't. Why would you trade a stock like this, my man? First of all, there isn't any volatility. Something I like to do is we need a stock to either go up or down for us to make money. If it stays stagnant like this, then you really don't get a directional play, so you don't get paid out. So I'm gonna add VIC onto my watch list here, and I'm going to customize this and add ATR. So ATR tells us the average length. So let's take a look here. Okay, VAC has an average ATR of $7. Okay, I mean, there wasn't much directional play and the volume kind of died out. 2 p.m. You started trading right around. Okay, let me do this. And let me come back here. Okay, so you entered at 404.09. So basically the first, second candle, and you got out at 25. Okay. So let me bring my annotation out here and see where you got in. So got in once here and once here, right? And this is after the stock heavily came down. This is too, this move is overextended. So you got in too late on the play. And something else you need to realize is there was a lot of bottom wicks right around the 45 area, the 45 and a half area. There was a lot of wicks, as you could tell in the beginning of the day. So you could kind of expect it to struggle over here before making a move. Now, if you waited for this consolidation, right? This consolidation right here, then it broke below, then that would have been more of a high probability play. Okay. So figure out your levels, wait for them to break, then enter. Let price action kind of tell you. But good job on scaling in. You're going to need that skill later on. Now I'm going to move on to the next person. Trade on Monday. Facebook, you bought at 342, you got out at 346. Okay, not a problem. Facebook, let's take a look here. And this was on Monday. Let's take a look what happened Monday. Monday, right here. Take a look right here. Okay, so you entered at 346, 342, and you got out. And what was the play? It was calls. So one thing we kind of messed up on, right, is yeah, we got volume, but there was no direction in these plays. Take a look at that. There's no direction in these plays. So the best thing you could have done is since the overall trend is trending upwards, right, and the price kind of struggled right around this area of 293, you should have waited for the 293 break for it to actually make a move up and break and let buyers take control of that level. That would have been more of a high probability play, my man. That goes to my man Ben. All right. Okay. Trade. trade today could have been better. Near the open, I saw a rejection of the 120 cross of the EMA, but waited too long. Then missed the move. Saw H pattern. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so you bought 5 Apple close to the open. Oh, you probably have a different time. Oh, okay. So it would have been earlier in the day. Okay. I got you. Market opens over there at 3:30 in the morning. Okay. So let's see. Right here, we already see a pattern, right? You entered at 9:46 on this trade, which would have been right here, right? When it broke high a day. This is why I tell you guys to wait for a level and wait for the next candle to see how it holds this level right here, right? If it's able to hold this level and look bullish, then the highest probability play was getting above these next 2 candles for the play. Now, this is why I tell guys just be patient, let things play out. We got a nice directional move because what this shows is kind of some indecision right here, right? No buyers or sellers have control. And later on in the day, when we got a little bit of volume, right? Things started to push upward. But still wouldn't have been my favorite play just because of volume. Volume really started to pick up right around 1. So that was the first play. Now let's take a look at your second play, my man. Okay. So 409 to 421, it would be what was it? Apple KAPL. So something I have with Apple is on the daily time frame, right? It's been stuck in this indecision right here with a nice little downtrend that I see now. Let me draw that out. Let me just boom, boom, boom. Okay. So right now it's showcasing some sort of indecision on the bigger time frame on the daily, which means a lot. Right now, if we do get an EMA crossover towards the upside, I'll be playing the 127 mark towards the upside for the break of this range. Yeah, we got some good volume, I would say. Yeah, volume starting to increase. So we could potentially start seeing some upward on this, but I wouldn't really touch it. Now, if I go into the smaller time frame and let me check your fills. This was on the 30th. So let's take a look at the 30th on Tuesday. I have a level at 120 and you entered right around 10:02. And when did you get out? No, 10:09 to 10:09 to 10:21. Okay. So you entered right here and you got out somewhere right here on this candle. So what'd you enter for? You got puts. Okay, good play. This was a good play. Yeah, this was a good play. Nice H pattern. A lot of showcasing, a lot of indecision. We got that volume last candle. Very bearish. Good play, my man. Good job. There was nothing to talk about. You did a good job with that trade. Okay. My man, All right, so AMD and AAL. Okay. Oh, very choppy day. Very choppy day. Okay. Would you enter? So you probably traded early in the day. The market opens at 6:30 for you. So this is 9:58. 9:58 to 10:08. 9:58. So you entered on this candle of indecision and you got out at 10:08. Not a bad trade. You caught your losses very quick. What I would have recommended is if you actually kind of zoom in, right? We're seeing a lot of bottom wicks and we're seeing a trend also. So if it would have broken below the trend right here, right? You definitely seen that trend. You got in here and you got out somewhere over here. Uh, this is the trend right now. You see that, right? What you want to do is let it break down below the trend, let that candle close, and then take the trade from there because you get a better confirmation of who's in control. But when you enter here, you don't know who's in control yet. So that's something to be aware of, my man. And AAL 717. So 1017 AAL Tuesday. Okay, let's see what happened here. AAL got in at 1017, 1103. 1017 right here. And you got out at 1103. Beautiful trade. You've seen it uptrending, holding the 9 EMA, and you sold when it pushed far away from the 9 EMA. Beautiful trade. You got out right before chop. Excellence. Only thing that you might need to improve on is scaling out. So instead of, scale out along the way, just to kind of protect your capital that invested and your profit also. I guess was the last trade. I'm gonna start doing more of these. I think these are more beneficial for you guys. And yeah, let me know. All right, guys, take care, everybody.